Cooler weather is coming our way here, Todd, later on this week. The other big headline for this week is that we're going to have some rainfall moving back. It's a little bit more of an active weather pattern in the precipitation department here. Our temperatures, they're still going to be on the hot side in that summer mode the next couple of days at least, still around 90 degrees. But by the end of this week and into the coming weekend, we're back to temperatures in the 70s. Rainfall is going to be part of the equation in that. It's just spotty possibilities here the next couple of days. Probably the stormiest times are going to be towards Wednesday and Thursday here. So basically you're looking at hot weather next couple days and then some wet periods in there in the middle part of the week. Outside this evening, we've just got sort of bands of cloud cover here moving across the state of Iowa. By the way, I have seen pictures and reports of the northern lights now making an appearance here in the upper Midwest, at least in clear areas. All the parameters have turned in the right direction here just recently this evening. Now, weather-wise, you're back on Earth, mostly driven by that big upper level low pressure center, what we would call a big trough, big dip in the jet stream, just sits off to our west between the Rockies and us over the northern plains. That's caused all sorts of thunderstorms today and into this evening over the plains. There's actually been numerous tornadoes earlier today up in North Dakota. We've been stuck under this big blue H, the high pressure, the big ridge of high pressure in recent days. That's why we've been so hot. Well, guess what? That's finally going to get pushed out of here as we go into this week. And this pair of systems that are over the western U.S. is going to gradually, I should say, move into our region. And that's why we're going to see a pattern change with rainfall and then eventually cooler air. So let's start off tonight. Those clouds, they're still around through the overnight hours. There's the possibility of a pop-up shower, maybe even an early morning thunderstorm into about, let's say, 3, 4, 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then through maybe as late as 8 o'clock. It's going to be real spotty activity, though, so don't get too excited about getting wet tomorrow morning. Otherwise, we're going to be back to sort of similar weather tomorrow afternoon. A few high-level clouds, temperatures up around 90, and then we might pop an isolated afternoon shower in there as well. Wash, rinse, repeat then as we head into Tuesday here. Early morning, maybe we get an isolated storm. This is called because that system is going to be gradually moving our direction. And then Tuesday afternoon and into the evening, a few isolated to maybe scattered showers and some thunderstorms for the state. So isolated sort of stuff tomorrow and into Tuesday. And then as we head into Wednesday, this bigger system kind of gradually brings us more possibilities for some rainfall. First from a boundary that comes our direction from the north and the west. Wednesday afternoon, some showers and storms are possible. And then it gets a little bit harder to pin down timing as we go into parts of Thursday and then into Friday, because that low pressure center you see over there on the side of the screen, it just kind of spins and meanders across the region into the second half of the week. So we have basically periodic possibilities for rainfall here for a sort of a 2 to 3 day period. And by the time we get to Friday, we will have dropped our temperatures back down into those previously mentioned 70s. And with multiple possibilities for rainfall this week too, you look here over the region where you see those brighter blue colors, maybe even purple plus, we're looking at maybe some 1 or more inch amounts of rain once everything is all said and done through the next 5 to 7 days. So that'll be quite the departure from our weather as of late. The departure in our temperatures, it's going to be a change back to basically normal, mid to upper 70s here by the coming weekend. In the meantime, we're looking around 90 still tomorrow and Tuesday. We make that transition with some wet weather at times Wednesday and into Thursday before we get back into fall mode just in time for the fall equinox next week.